Hello, good morning everyone. I am here would like to introduction myself. My name is Bagus Tiawan from Persada Indonesia University. And now I am in the second semester from Economic and Business Faculty. And the module 6 is make presentation the new product development process, the topic below number 1, the new product development process. 2, product and service. 3, definition of the NPD process. 5, critical variables in the NPD process. B, the short consolidation of what is the new product development process, product and service, definition of the NPD process. 4, critical variables in the NPD process. 1, the new product development process. In the context of specific skills that are perceived as critical today and in the future, a key role is performed by the ability to develop product and service at an ever-increasing speed, higher quality at a reasonable cost, and ever more important, paying close attention to environmental and ethical issues. The spread of internet and the speed of information transmission along with citizen pressure group tools such as the petition platform Change.org and Events.org means that companies and people, managers, employees, the brand and the entry the new product development chain are all coming under the watchful eyes of ordinary citizen in terms of big they client or not. Number 2, product and service. First, we should clarify the term product and how it will be used hereafter, and to do that, we need to understand what differentiates a physical product from a service. There are two main aspects. A service is intangible compared to a new product. Just as a product is an object identified by specific physical or geometrical characteristic, a service is identified only by performance. It is difficult to standardize a service and therefore to apply the concept of conformity to specification that are typical of the manufacturing sector. Contemporaneous supply of a service contrasts with the sequentiality of production, process, and consumption of the product. A service cannot be separated from the context of its supply and consumption, while a product can be. A service cannot be stored as a consequence. Lack of quality in a service is directly transferred to the customer without the possibility of correction. This. Number 3, definition of the NPD process. We could describe this process as the group of tasks and activities, methods, and tools that are implemented when company want to develop a product or a service. To be sold or supply, the activities are process that can be deployed in parallel with partial or full effort planning of sequential step by step. In the case of overlapping, it is common to use the word concurrent engineer. Methods are systematic approach used by development professional. The physical tools can be computers, web system, like Survey web platform, CAD, CAM framework, smart prototyping, 3D printer, or other. Number 4, critical variable in the NPD process. As in every complex environment, the new product development process changes with different management approaches, tools, and methods, which can vary from case to case, from company to company. Now let us consider the NPD model present by Mufalto and Panizol. It identifies six critical variables that influence the NPD process: strategy, coordination and supply involvement, organizational structure and technical staff, methods, design technology, performance. Let us examine this in detail. B, the constellation, the new product development or NPD process. New product development is about converting new and untried idea into workable product. This product will be a business brainchild which will give them a competitive advantage and help monopolize the market. Number two, product and service. As a business, your ability to sustain the market competitive. It requires you to balance the necessity and difficulty for new product development. It is where the new product development process comes into play. It helps you test the new product sustainability for the market needs and its economic usefulness. Number three, definition of the NPD process. The new product development or NPD is a process of taking a product or service from conception to market. The process set out a series of steps that new product typically go through, beginning with ideation and concept generation, and ending with the product introduction to the market. Number five, critical variable in the NPD process. The most critical step of the new product release process is research and testing. So a product may seem like a smart idea at its conception. A deeper look could reveal major vulnerabilities. Thank you for the presentation.